Step 2, go grocery shopping. If you want to meal prep some delicious food, but also keep your grocery budget intact, then the first step is to get ready to go grocery shopping in your own kitchen, that is. It's no secret that a lot of us go grocery shopping with no list in hand and we start buying ingredients that we already have waiting for us at home to be used. I'm talking about fresh herbs, sauces, frozen and canned goods, and especially those fresh produce, like that lettuce container that hasn't barely been used. Yeah, all of these ingredients, they're just gonna go bad on us. They're gonna expire and end up in the trash. This little habit is actually creating a huge food waste problem that's costing the average American family of 4 about $1,500 a year. This is not some small chump change. You paid full price for that food. Make sure that you're using it and you're not just over here creating a food collection.